Good morning, everybody. Well, it's alright morning. I'll show you what I mean. Incubators don't normally go in the garbage can. So, out with the old, in with the new. I told you guys, out with the old, in with the new. Well, this is the new. Kind of hard to see it in the truck. But when I get it in the side and open it up and get it set up, I'll give you a peek and see how it works. Alright, so I told you out with the old, in with the new. Well, this is the new. Hope you can read the box better than it was earlier. Now this was a Tractor Supply special. Farm Innovators, and yes, it is a foam with a plastic covering incubator. Not my favorite thing, but it looks like it's going to work. I've already got it up, got it running, loaded it up full of duck eggs. So let's go take a look at the duck eggs. Alright, now here's the incubator. We're in our laundry room, so look over the mess. But it is set for 28 days. It's showing 55% humidity at 99.5 degrees. It's a digital, fully automatic. The only thing I got to do is add water every so often when the humidity goes down. And I'm not a fan of their filling holes. Just saying that right out straight. They got a filling hole here that they want you to get a turkey baster and draw up water and put it through the hole. I think I might just tip the lid up, pour some water in there and shut the lid. And don't hit the eggs. So I'm going to try it that way before I take the time to try to get a turkey baster and squirt water in my incubator. I think that was a foul on their part. They should have had a port, somewhere in the lid or something. But consider my hands shake that way, I don't see it happening. Not without making water go everywhere. So, we will see how this new incubator does. And we'll show you the chicks whenever they pop out. But for this video, we're done. We'll see you on the next one.